In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom not showing up in my Google Calendar. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, locate the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of dots and is an essential tool for accessing various Google services quickly. Clicking on it helps you navigate to your Google applications, including Calendar. This step is important because it sets the stage for the next actions, ensuring you are in the right environment to troubleshoot the issue effectively. Next, click on Calendar. This action will take you directly to your Google Calendar. Once the calendar loads, you will see your scheduled events, reminders, and possibly other calendar integrations. Having your calendar open is crucial because it allows you to check for the Zoom integration and see if it is functioning properly. If you have multiple calendars, ensure you are viewing the one linked to your Zoom account for accurate results. Now, look at the right side panel for the Zoom icon. This icon indicates that the Zoom integration is set up. If you see it, that's a good sign. It means Zoom is already integrated into your calendar. If the icon is absent, it may indicate that the integration needs to be reset or reconfigured, which we will address shortly. Noticing the Zoom icon quickly helps you determine if further action is needed. If you do not see the sidebar, click the small arrow pointing left at the bottom right corner of your screen. This action will expand the sidebar, revealing any hidden integrations, including Zoom. Expanding the sidebar is a simple step but crucial for accessing all available features on your calendar. Once you click the arrow, give it a moment for the sidebar to fully open, allowing you to see all the icons clearly. Click the Zoom icon, then click the three vertical dots at the top of the side panel and select Sign Out. This action will log you out of the Zoom integration temporarily. Signing out is important because it allows you to refresh the connection between Zoom and Google Calendar. After clicking Sign Out, you will see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully logged out, ensuring that your changes are acknowledged. Next, click Sign In and complete the Google authentication prompts to grant fresh permissions. It is essential to allow Google to confirm your identity again. This refreshes the permissions and ensures that Zoom has the current authorization to access your calendar. After signing in, you may notice a message confirming that your permissions have been updated. This reassurance confirms that you are on the right track. Click the plus icon labeled Get Add-ons on the right sidebar. This icon opens up the marketplace for Google Workspace add-ons. By using this feature, you can find and manage additional tools that enhance your Google Calendar experience. It is a straightforward way to ensure all necessary integrations are active and functioning. From there, search for Zoom for Google Workspace and select the official app. It's important to find the official app to avoid any third-party versions that may not work properly. Clicking on the correct app will lead you to the installation options. Be careful to choose the right one to avoid confusion later. Now click Install and approve the required permissions. After installation, refresh your browser window. When you create an event, Zoom should now appear under the Add Video Conferencing drop-down menu. This means that the integration is successfully restored. Ensuring that Zoom appears here confirms that your settings are correctly configured. If meetings created inside the Zoom app are not appearing in your Google Calendar, your master calendar sync settings might be broken. This step is crucial to maintain a seamless workflow between both applications. Log into the Zoom web portal. This is where you can manage your Zoom settings and integrations. Accessing this portal helps you troubleshoot issues that might not be visible from the calendar side. Click Profile in the left navigation menu. This section contains your account information and settings relevant to integrations. It is good practice to check your profile settings to ensure everything is configured properly. Scroll down to the Others section and find Calendar and Contact Integration. This section oversees how your Zoom account interacts with calendar applications. Noticing any misconfigurations here can help in resolving the issue. Click Configure Calendar and Contact Service or click Delete, then re-add if it says it is currently linked. This action will allow you to reset the connection between Zoom and Google Calendar. Following this step ensures that the integration is fresh and fully functional. Finally, select Google Calendar, follow the permissions windows, and ensure bidirectional sync is fully enabled. This final step is vital for seamless integration. Ensuring bidirectional sync means any changes you make in Zoom will reflect in Google Calendar and vice versa. Following these steps will help you fix issues with Zoom not showing up in your Google Calendar efficiently. You should now have a fully functional setup. Thank you for watching.